welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Comme des Garcons Plus, and this is the Nike Air Carnivore silhouette in the white colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as some awesome items in our merch store. So be sure to head over to that merch store after this video is done. So as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Comme des Garcons Plus line, and this was done in collaboration with Nike on the Nike Air Carnivore silhouette in white. Do stay tuned because I will have a video up on the black version as well. So first we are going to go through the overview on the shoe, then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by styling. I just want to give a huge shout out to Culture Kings. This styling section is brought to you by them. All looks are from the Culture Kings website, so be sure to look down below in the description box. I will have links to all those items that I'm wearing in the styling section. And then we're going to conclude with how great of a deal I got on these shoes. So definitely stay tuned to the end because I want to help all of you find great deals during the right time frame of the year to get lots of money and savings back so that you can save on designer collabs like this one. All right, let's jump into this overview. So this is such a clean shoe. It's very modern and futuristic looking. It is a nice high top structure to it. We're going to start on the front of the toe box here. We've got just some crisp white mesh going on the toe box with some faux leather. As we work our way up, we've got more white that really just intricately is detailed with things like this strap here in Velcro. And we've got the Nike branding that's very 3D looking on top of the strap there. So we work our way up. We again have this interesting strap around ankle strap here in Velcro as well. And some more just subtle details of that faux leather. So let's take a sneak peek at those details up close. All right, working our way to the side panels, we've got more of that faux leather that wraps around and some nice kind of sheen materials in this neoprene fabric that really is shimmering in the light. I didn't really realize it till I had it up against the light, but this is just really clean. Wrapping around to the back of the heel, we've got that Comme des Garcons en plus branding on the back. Again, just nice to have this ankle strap that really just fits perfectly snug to your ankle. I'm going to open it up so we can just look inside the sneaker here. More of that neoprene around the ankle. On the inside, we do have 3 Nike swooshes with the Comme des Garcons en plus on the inside for a white insole. Then working around to the other side, we've got just some nice tonal hardware in white. Again, nice kind of strap, giving it that futuristic look. Then we're going to finish off the silhouette in this white outsole and midsole. Super clean. All right, let's look at those last and final details. All right, so let's talk about size and fit on these. I would say stick true to size. I'm a 7.5 and I feel like these fit me perfectly. I do prefer to wear high top socks with these that are a little bit on the thicker side just because of this ankle strap around my ankle definitely rubs and I feel like it needs to have a higher sock just so that you don't get any abrasions as far as rubbing against your skin. This could be quite potentially painful if you have a low sock in these. So definitely a little extra space in there. I wouldn't size down or up on these ones. Again, I do have high arch narrow feet. If you do have wide flat feet, that could decipher a different shoe size that works best for you. All right, now let's jump into the styling section. Obviously, this is such a clean all over white color scheme going on. So this was not a very difficult sneaker to style, but I still had fun with it. Again, compliments to Culture Kings for sending me over all of these amazing pieces. Or if you are looking for just some great pieces to style your sneakers with, definitely head on over to Culture Kings website. Don't forget to use my promo code if you are looking for some sneaker guards. If you don't like creasing your sneakers, you will get a pair of these free when you spend on their site and use my promo code. These are the best when it comes to creases. I can't stand creasing some of my sneakers, so especially my just really special shoes, I always add these in them. So definitely use that promo code on Culture Kings website. All right, so for the first outfit in, I guess, the theme of Space Jam, since it came out so recently, I decided to get an amazing Space Jam t-shirt off the Culture Kings website. And I think that that design just really encompassed all of the characters quite nicely on a black simplistic tee, which obviously there's different colors and vibes going on that I think just really worked well with the white color scheme of this shoe. For the bottom, I decided to wear some Pyra shorts, and those are a little bit longer shorts, kind of a boy short style type of sweat short. And I think that, again, just the detailing on that short was in black and white, so the colors worked again perfectly with this shoe. second look, I decided to wear some Tommy Hilfiger denim jeans, and I don't know, it's just giving me some 90s vibes, these shoes. So I really wanted to give this second look more of a 90s kind of feel. So I really love the detailing on the sides of those light denim pants with the Tommy Hilfiger coloring scheme, which again, I think played quite nicely with the white in this shoe. And I just wore a simple NS tank top. Again, just nice ribbed tank top that goes basically with everything and anything. Also wore that tank top in my second look. This time I decided to pair these with some cargo pants. I think black cargo pants are just such a great look with these shoes since they are very modern and futuristic. This time I decided to pair them with the anti-order cargo pants, and just the detailing on those pants really worked well with the detailing on these shoes. Let me know the 3 looks. What was your favorite out of the 3 down below, or how would you style these shoes?
It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we 2 peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we see in the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be a light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never. And when the world gets a little too hard, wipe your eyes, put away your sorrow. When it's war, I'll be leading the charge, and I'll be still fighting for you tomorrow. Yeah, even with a blindfold or in different time zones, could find my way to you with my eyes closed. There's nothing between us. Go to Mars and Venus, stand in front of every one of them rocks they slinging and be a shield.
Your shield, yeah. In the fiercest battle, I'll defend you.
I'll defend you
from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah, let's go. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your
You may be facing tribulation, but don't let it get you down. What I'm saying may take patience, but you're gonna make it out. I scratch my own 2 feet to pull you to safety. When the fires are burning.
Now let's conclude with how big of a deal basically I saved on these shoes. So I always tell all of my friends to literally start purchasing things during the off season. So as we are nearing the end of summer and heading into the fall, this is when you start to see some of the biggest deals out there. So I definitely held off on buying these sneakers. I wanted them when they first came out, but the price point of $330 was just a little too high of a price point for what I wanted to pay on these. these. So I definitely held out and I waited, and I was able to get 60% off on these sneakers. And that, let me tell you, just made these shoes a perfect shoe to add to my collection for the price point. These shoes retailed at a pretty high price point of $330, which is pretty steep, but obviously these are Comme de Garcon, so that's to be expected. With that 60% off discount though, I actually got these for $132, which is a steal. So definitely keep your eye out for deals like this during the off seasons. Right now, I do know that these are also online for a little bit higher price point. They're 49% off on Essence for $168. So if you are absolutely in love with these, I think this is one of my favorite silhouettes that I'm adding with just a simple classic all white look. So check out Essence if you love these shoes as much as I do. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, I will have the black version out later at some point in time, so be sure to check that out by hitting that notification bell so that you're alerted as soon as I have any new and upcoming videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you are new here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that as well. Also, feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that join button because we have a ton of membership perks that you're not going to want to miss out on, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in to ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next one.